First thing you have to do is just to open your Chrome browser and search for this. So when you open your Chrome browser, you will search for freetts.com. Freetts.com. Just watch my screen. So you search for freetts.com, just like this. Freetts.com. So these sites are completely free, and one thing about them is that their voiceover are very realistic, so you can use it in your faceless YouTube channel, and it's 100% monetizable. So when it brings you to this place, you just tap on text to speech. You understand? So you can select the one you want. Do you get it now? So you just scroll and choose the voice you want. Let me just say, let's test this. Uses a free online service offering AI technology for speech synthesis, speech transfer. So there are thousands of voices you can just choose. And the best part of it is that you can enter up to 5,000 letters, you understand? So, and it can generate it. You can choose any country you want to make use of it, and that is just it. You paste your prompt here. So, you just paste your prompt of anything you want. Let me see. Hello, how was your day? So, something of this nature. The next thing you choose, if you are making use of Arabic, India, so or UX, you can just search it, or UK. Do you get it now? United Kingdom. So you can just choose any of the voice here. Then you scroll and choose the voice you want to use. Creates is a free online service. And that is the first one. So the second voiceover you'll be making use of is search for TTS, ttsmaker.com. So just like this, ttsmaker.com. One thing about this site is that the voice are very realistic. It's just like the voice looks like one of the top voiceover sites, which if possible I'll be doing the tutorial in my next video. So when you search for tts.com, you will scroll down to this particular one that has tts maker. You can see it here, tts maker. You scroll down, then you will tap on it. And the best part of all this is that you don't need to sign in to them before you can use the site. That is just the best part of all these three sites I will be showing you. So when it brings you to this place, you can enter up to 1,000 right up, you understand? 1,000 works. Do you get it now? So you just paste your prompt here. Let me see here. How are you doing? So you just paste your prompt there. Once you are done, you scroll. So these ones are voiceover. You get it now? All these are voiceover, voiceover, voiceover. And the best part of it is that inside the voiceover, there are a lot of another customized voiceover on it. You understand now? So you can just choose any of them. There are a lot: UK, US, United Kingdom, Europe. You understand? Let's just test this Jackson. TTS Maker is a professional voice generator that uses artificial intelligence technology. Do you see it now? This one is sounding professional. Do you understand? So once you are done testing your prompt, one thing about this site is that you are going to undergo a test so that they can know that you are a real human being. So they are asking you to this code that is here, this code that is here for you to enter it here. Do you understand? So this is 5340. So you just tap 5340. 5340. So once you are done typing that, you just let me make use of that Jackson. Oh my god, can I see it again? Okay, this is it. So I will now tap on convert, and automatically they will say verify you are a human being. Just click on this, you are a woman. human being. So you just click on this particular place. So you just tap on it. Verification successfully. So what you're going to do is just click on OK, and automatically your voice will be
Hello, how
generated.
are you doing?
Do you understand? So how to download this is just tap on this particular place and click on download. Automatically it will download to your gallery that you will now make use of it. So if you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed to our channel, I urge you that you should subscribe and share this video right now to the right audience that need it, most especially those that are into folktale story and so rest of them. So share the video now, subscribe, and turn on notification so that when we drop tutorial like this, you will be the first to benefit from it. Lastly, click on the WhatsApp channel on this tutorial to join our WhatsApp channel so that if you are not online when we drop tutorial, you can still get it from our WhatsApp channel. Do you understand? So the last voiceover are very common to everyone. Do you understand? So I know that most people know this side. So what is this side? It is called low voice. So you just start for low voice, lowvoice.com. See it here. So lowvoice.com. So you just tap on it, and one thing about this new voice is that you don't need to sign into them. You understand? So you don't need to sign in to make use of it. So you just tap paste your prompts. Do you understand? So once you are done pasting your prompt, you choose any country, whether US, UK, United Kingdom, Europe, Philippines, depending, India, Australia, Canada, and so rest of them. You choose any of the voiceover you want to make use of. But I suggest if you're making use of this on your folktale, either you choose UK or UX or Nigeria, ancient English. You understand? So if you're a female, you can choose female. If you're a guy, you can choose one a guy. So once you're done with that, you just hit on generate, and automatically it's we generate, but you got to pass a text so that they will know that you are a human being, you're not a robot. So let's just wait. So you just tap place, automatically it will generate.
Hello, how are you doing?
Do you see it now? So how to download from this side are almost the same thing. You just tap on this download icon, or you tap on these three dots here. So whichever one you want to make use of it, two of them can go. If you tap on there, you will see download. If you tap on if you tap on this play button, you will see what download, just like this. So if you download it direct, still the same thing. So I forget to show you how to download from the free TTS. It's just the same method. Once you are done generating your voice over, do you understand? So you will tap on the three dots line after you test run the voiceover, and automatically you will see download button that can enable you to download it to your gallery. So if this three side I shared to you now are not enough for you to continue creating your folktale story or YouTube motivational videos, so what you guys to do is just comment free monetizable voiceover site, and I will drop another tutorial on different websites you can make use of that you don't need to log in. See you on the next video.